Here's what's in Drake's lunch today. We have, I haven't been grocery shopping yet in like 2.5 weeks. So this is very like bare minimum. We've got carrots and apples, thanks to my boyfriend, because when we were gone, he bought those. We've got string cheese, pirate booty, pretzels, a fig bar, and a juice. So this is all that he wants. I keep trying to put more stuff in, and he's like, no, I don't want it. So anyways, this is what he wants for lunch today. Here is Deacon's lunch today. We went to the store really quick. Drake started school earlier, so I went to the store and I got him some tortillas and turkey and a donut. He got a donut. Shh, we can't tell Drake. We've also got carrots, apples, a little cheese, and I was cleaning out the fridge because I'm going to be going grocery shopping. My boyfriend made bacon for breakfast the other morning and had leftovers because when the kids aren't home, he's the only one who eats it. So anyways, there was some bacon, so I stuffed it in his lunch, and yeah. Anyways, that's his lunch today. Here is Deacon's lunch today. We've got turkey mustard roll-ups, because that's just his favorite thing. And it's so easy. I love it. Cucumbers, blueberries, applesauce, and a yogurt. So we have another delayed start today, so he's not going to be super duper hungry, because he's going to eat within like an hour of getting to school. Oh my gosh, my dogs are going seriously crazy. And yeah, figured need to be simple, so that's his lunch today. Oh my gosh, I've been trying to make this video like for a good 3 minutes now, and I keep getting calls from the district and the school, and they just decided to cancel school instead of doing a delay. It's been a heck of a week. Anyways, I don't know how long Drake's gonna even be in school today, so his favorite snack pack, some bell peppers, a fig bar, and a yogurt, something quick. We have a lot of snow, so we'll see. Anyways, that's his lunch today. Here is Deacon's lunch today. We've got turkey mustard roll-ups, again, cucumbers, blueberries, yogurt, and bell pepper strips. These are from, just a second, these are from Drake's lunch, actually. His school ended up being canceled. We got there and they decided to cancel it, so. Anyways, juice, applesauce, that's what is in his lunch today. Pretty simple. Redo. It's pieces from your lunch yesterday.
Is this
What a week.
Deacon's